Alrighty, we've got another fun little eBay find. This is from a company called Compaq, which maybe some people remember. It got bought by, there's a computer company that got bought by HP. I think they make printers too, maybe. One of my family members worked for them, so saw this on eBay and had to buy it. This little tag says it's a power supply security padlock. So in some way used for securing power supplies to something. Yeah, and then the company that manufactured it. There's this lock that also, I guess, gets installed somewhere, inside a chassis of a computer or something. I'm not too sure. This kind of has like that old electronics, cream color, that plastic used to be on everything before black and white took over. But anyways, I haven't tried to pick this yet. It's surprisingly heavy. I mean, I guess there's just like filler metal in here, but this is a solid chunk right here. This body is metal also. It's not plastic. I mean, it doesn't feel like plastic, at least. It's probably just some cheap pot metal or something. It looks kind of rough on the edge there, but some kind of cast metal. I mean, I picked it up and I was kind of surprised. Let's see. See if these heavy bars fit in here. Ooh, yes, they do fit. All right. Give this a go. Use a little Pokemon. Actually, these are wafer locks, so probably a little flat. Flat might be easier here. Okay, there was a little false gate on there. I'm surprised. Yeah, a little false gate on that first wafer, I think, got me hung up for a sec. But yeah, nothing too crazy here. I just thought these keys were pretty unique looking. I mean, it's totally like a utility key, because this would be totally inconvenient in your pocket or anything. But for a business purpose padlock, I guess that's less important. But yeah, in any case, that's it. This is these are the same keys, so no real sense in trying to put this one in a vise. This one's easier to hold, so is what it is. But there you go. All right, have a good one.